Hi guys, welcome to the Ideal Home Show YouTube channel.
I'm Laurie, this is Relly, and we are the Style Makers. And today we are going to talk you through how to cozy up your home for autumn.
Because we are here at the Laroot Autumn Winter Show. Let us take you on a tour of all our top tips to take away.
So let's start with the bedroom. There's no better place to get cozy for autumn. The biggest thing that we can take away from this show is to add some extra layers to your bedding. Go for really sumptuous, thick fabrics that are going to keep you warm. Nice, cozy fabrics that are really tactile and make you want to snuggle up in bed. And if you've got the space, why not add a few to a bench at the bottom of your bed so that you can take them on and off as you want to.
So guys, here is this gorgeous autumn tablescape that we've had a huge pleasure creating. Had way too much fun with that, haven't we?
It's beautiful, as you say, full of colour and autumn foliage.
So your autumn takeaways for this, we've got this statement tablecloth, which is quite a strong pattern. It's a bit summery, but you can see because the colours are quite autumnal, we've reworked it for autumn. And then we've dressed the centre by creating this floral centerpiece made out of moss, mushrooms. We've got some pumpkins that we carved to use as vases, foliage, and loads of flowers.
Next up, the best thing to cozy up your dinner table for autumn is to obviously have lots of linens. They're going to soften up your table and really make it feel a lot more cozier. So you can see here there's lots of layers. You've got your table linen, your tablecloth, your napkins. You've also got placemats. We've got cushions on chairs, all in slightly different prints and colours, but sticking to the same colour palette. We've gone for burgundy, khaki, ochre, with a little tiny hint of a pale orange and some green thrown in as well. Just keeps it feeling really autumnal.
Loads of natural materials like rattan and wood on the kickstand, ceramics, all delicious, tactile, and in touch with nature.
And of course, don't forget your candles. They're a staple for this time of year when it's a bit darker and you want some light on your table.
The autumn is coming. Early evenings are coming too, but it's okay. Up your lighting game, guys. How about fill up a dark corner with a gorgeous mushroom table lamp? Or add some of these fancy holly wall sconces. How fun are they? The flower-shaped ones especially. And it doesn't have to be all about autumn colors. You could still add a punch of color just for vibrancy and just lift your mood with color in stripes.
One of the big trends for this autumn winter is to have lots of chocolate brown in your home. And there's no better time to inject a bit of leopard print, which grabs that color and packs a punch into your house. Look at it here on the candles and also bedding. We've got it on votives, vases, trays. It's absolutely beautiful. A really warm color. And Laroot have got some stunning pieces for this season. Cozying up your home for autumn is super simple, guys. Just swap in a few new cushions, maybe add a lovely new rug. It's all about bringing those autumnal colours in. And as you can see here, Laroot has got it covered this season.
Thank you for watching. This has been Style Makers. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
We will be at the Christmas show, which runs from the 26th to the 30th of November. Don't forget to get your tickets from the website.